How to check the status of your PNR using the IRCTC Rail Connect application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can check your PNR status using your mobile device and the IRCTC Rail Connect application. So in order to check your PNR status, simply open up your IRCTC Rail Connect application. And once this appears, you need to click onto this OK button in order to disappear the alert. Then after that is done, you will be landed onto an interface like this. Now in this interface, you need to click onto this login button at the top right corner. Once you click onto this login button, depending upon your authentication type, you can either enter your PIN or simply place your finger over to the fingerprint scanner if you have biometric authentication enabled. And once you have successfully authenticated yourself, you will be landed onto the main page. Now in this main page of the IRCTC Rail Connect, you need to click onto this train button, and under the train you have this button that says PNR Enquiry. So simply click onto this PNR Enquiry, and then you will need to type in your PNR number and simply click for search PNR. And once that will be done, you can see that the PNR status has been successfully fetched. So that's how easily you can fetch your PNR status using the IRCTC Rail Connect application. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.